we are conducting a research on the different kinds of paper used in the subcontinent by tracing the watermarks and finding out what kind of paper and inks were used during that time. So this is all Islamic paper with Persian and Arabic and Urdu writing, and this is aged paper which we are trying to conserve. This is a stereo microscope. This we use to assess the paper or the damages on paper, as well as we use the simple microscopes, any kinds of microscopes that are used. Also in order to assess the what kind of paper was used, the damages that are incurred on the paper, as well as the writing and the kind of inks used on the kind of research that we're trying to do. This is the stereo microscope. This is called the light box, and it throws light on the kinds of paper, and you can actually trace the watermark. Watermarks are very important. It tells you about the date and the age of paper. This would be close to the beginning of 1900s and the ending of 1800s. This is that, but this is not a man-made handmade paper. This is a machine-made paper. But there is a lot of damage on the paper, as you can see, because this is what we found out, that the Islamic documents which have a Persian writing or Islamic or Arabic writing, they have more damage on it due to insects, because there is a process in paper restoration which we call sizing with wheat starch. This is done so the animals, they feed on the wheat. So if you see the Islamic documents would be damaged with insects more as compared to Western documents. Drying of paper. After we conduct certain wet and dry cleanings and deacidification, the paper is flattened with the help of flatteners, and then we dry the paper on these dryers. These are some of the chemicals that we use for the removal of stains and during wet cleaning and deacidification.